Welcome to the Caregiver's Note, a podcast about childhood disorders and other mental health conditions. I am your host, Nkukune, Dr. Tema, and this is episode 10, titled Medical Insurance Benefits for ADHD. This episode briefly explores medical insurance benefits for ADHD. The high costs of private healthcare has led some caregivers choosing to take up medical insurance to help pay for treatment for children with ADHD. They, however, soon get disappointed. There is very limited cover for ADHD treatment by many medical insurance schemes. This is despite clear evidence that ADHD is a well-defined chronic medical condition with devastating and long-lasting effects on children if left untreated. ADHD has damaging consequences along the way, similar to conditions like diabetes, hypertension, just to name a few. However, unlike ADHD, these other medical conditions have protected funding which is regulated by government law. This protected funding ensures access to effective long-term treatments. As a result, conditions that have not made this list, as with ADHD, are funded at the discretion of medical schemes. This means there is inconsistent approach, variable cover, and even more limited benefits outside of medical savings or day-to-day savings. Given the nature and the severity of ADHD, it is surprising that it has not been similarly elevated to qualify for the list of conditions with protected funding. In that way, it would enjoy a similar level of benefits as allocated by medical insurance schemes in an equivalent manner as that of the other adult chronic medical conditions. In conclusion, mental health care benefits as a whole are worse off compared to other medical benefits, and by a long stretch, benefits for child mental health care are the worst. Caregivers end up with additional and burdensome out-of-pocket costs. In many cases, management is interrupted periodically when funds are exhausted, leaving children inadequately treated. There are no psychiatric conditions with childhood onset that have been placed on protected funding list of medical schemes. In the words of Nelson Mandela, there can be no keener revelation of the society's soul than the way it treats its children. Thank you for listening to the Caregiver's Note. If you liked this episode, please remember to subscribe, like, and share the link with those who could benefit from it. Do check out our website at www.nsztema.co.za for more resources, our contacts, and the author's profile. Tune in to our next episode when we present ADHD overview.